Good morning to all. Welcome all from ChemG Academy. That is chemistry for IIT JEE and NEET 2026. कैसे हो बेटा? ओके अभी जेई मेंस 2026 जनवरी में आने वाला है, जनवरी 2026 में, और NEET will be in the month of May, right? So for JEE mains aspirants and also for NEET aspirants, now today we are going to discuss one topic. Compulsorily will get one question. इसमें से एक प्रश्न पूछा जाएगा. Compulsory question, very easy, and you'll be knowing that this one is in the chemical bonding unit. Okay, so here I have mentioned the topic hybridization. Then how to find the hybridization? हम within few seconds कैसे हम hybridization पता कर सकते हैं? ठीक है, you'll be knowing that beta molecules can be either they can be in the form of neutral molecules, or they can be in the cations, or they can be in the form of anions, right? Now, how to find out the hybridization of a molecule, hybridization of the central atom in a molecule, in a given molecule? Very easy. In the recent 2025 NEET question paper also, you were asked one question on hybridization. That means 4 marks. You will get 4 marks if you solve this question. Okay. Now, I already told you that. So here, the simple thing is hybridization we can find out for neutral molecules. So the molecule is suppose a neutral molecule, or it can be a cation in the form of cation, or it can be in the form of anion, right? Then how to find out the hybridization? Now here I'm going to write the one formula. You see here, hybridization H can be given by, now we can write this one. So in a molecule, central atom will be there. In a molecule, central atom will be there. So that will be having possessing some group number. It will be from one particular group. So here, group number of the central atom plus. Now here, to find out the hybridization, we are going to consider only monovalent atoms, not the bi or trivalent atoms. So okay, so here only monovalent atoms like hydrogen, all halogens, okay, etc. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. So here the central metal atom, central atom group number plus number of monovalent atoms divided by 2 will give the hybridization. Will give the hybridization. So group number of central atom plus number of monovalent atoms divided by 2 will give the some value. Based on that value, we can decide the hybridization of that central atom. Now here for cations, what you have to do is the same formula, but here we have to subtract the cation, means they will be possessing positive charge. So whatever in the cation they will be possessing positive charge, in an anion they will be possessing negative charge. So here what we are going to do in case of cations, what we are going to do is we are going to subtract that charge possessed by the molecule. So here the same formula G plus M. So here we are going to not add the charge, we are going to subtract. So minus C by 2. Here it is C for charge of the cation, where it can be if it is a unipositive charge, that is a -1. Bipositive charge, it is -2, like that. Now here it is in the case of anion, what we are going to do is same G plus M. Now here we are going to add the charge. Suppose say NO2 minus, we are going to add here the charge 1, SO4 minus 2, we are going to add charge 2 divided by 2. So this is the formula. Now if you see here, if H value we are getting, the hybridization value we are getting 2, then it is, the hybridization is sp hybridization. If H value is say 3, it is sp2 hybridization. If H value is 4, it is sp3 hybridization. Suppose say H value is say 5, sp3 dehybridization. H value is say 6, you are getting sp3d2 hybridization. If H value are getting 7, sp3d3 hybridization. Very simple. Very simple. So for a neutral molecule, G plus M by 2. G is nothing but group number of the central atom. Plus M stands for number of monovalent atoms. Divided by 2 in case of neutral molecule. In case of cation, G plus M minus C. There C nothing but charge of the cation. Divided by 2. In case of anion, G plus M plus C. We are going to add here. In case of anion, we are going to add the charge. In case of cation, we are going to subtract the charge. Divided by 2. If the H value you are getting, the hybridization is the central atom is sp. If the H value is 3, hybridization of the central atom is sp2. If the hybridization is you are getting say 4, hybridization is sp3. H value is 5, sp3d. H value is 6, sp3d2. H value is 7, sp3d3. Now we will see this one with examples. Okay, so we'll see this one with examples. See here, so first we'll take the examples of neutral molecules. For example, say methane. Your central atom is carbon. Now carbon, it belongs to you see here, it belongs to that fourth group, right? So 4, carbon group number is 4 plus number of monovalent atom, all hydrogens. So how many are there? 4 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. If the H value is 4, the hybridization is sp3. Hybridization is sp3. Now like that you can say number of examples. POCl3. POCl3. Now here two different atoms are there here, but we are going to consider only the monovalent atoms. So phosphorus, it belongs to fifth group. Plus here we will not consider oxygen. We will consider only monovalent atoms. So how many are there? 3 are there. So again 8 divided by 2, that you are going to get sp3. Now like that you can say SOCl2. See here, sulfur, it belongs to which group? Sixth group. Plus here we are considering only chlorines. Why? Because only those are the monovalent atoms. So here how many are there? 2 are there. 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2, again 4. So you are going to get sp3. Now you can take number of examples. Suppose say BF3, boron trifluoride. Now here boron, central atom is boron, so it belongs to group third group. How many monovalent atoms are there? 3 are there. Divided by 2. So 6 by 2, that means it will give 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. Now like that you can say SO3, sulfur trioxide. So here no monovalent atoms. So that means here 6 plus 0 by 2. That means 6 by 2. Here again you will get sp2 hybridization. Okay, so like this you can solve easily. Look, you can solve easily if you remember G plus M by 2 for in case of neutral molecule, G plus M minus C by 2 in case of cation, G plus M plus C by 2 in case of anions. Now we'll see a few more examples. Now so compulsorily you will get one question in JEE mains or in NEET. Now we'll see some more example like say BRF5. Now in this case, the central atom is bromine, that is it belongs to group, that is 7th group, plus number of monovalent are 5 divided by 2, like this 12 by 2, that means 6. 6 means you will be getting sp3 d2. Suppose say another one ClF3. Now here trihalide. The previous case it is pentahalide, here it is trihalide, again interhalogen compounds. So here chlorine again 7. Why? Because bromine and chlorine they both belong to the 7th group. Now here number of monovalent atoms are 3 divided by 2, that is 10 divided by 2. So you will be getting 5. So simply the hybridization is sp3d. Like that, now we are going to solve the NEET question. Now we are going to solve that. This is a 2025 NEET paper. Please check the here. The series is 45 series, and the question number is 64. So here on one side they have mentioned the molecules of the inert gases, that is particularly xenon compounds, and they asked on the right side hybridization. So you see here, this is a proof, and we are going to solve it in a minute. We are going to solve the in a second we are going to solve the question. Now here if you see here they have mentioned first one XeO3. So here again the same formula. Here it is a neutral molecule, right? No charge. Now here the xenon belongs to 8th group, and here you see here there are no monovalent atoms. So 0 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is you are going to get 4. So hybridization is sp3 in case of XeO3, xenon trioxide. Now the second next one is XeF2. They have given XeF2. This is also simple. This is also neutral molecule. Now you see here group is again 8th group. A number of monovalent atoms here are 2 are there. Why? Because fluorine is there. So divide by 2. So 10 divided by 2 will be getting 5. That means sp3d. Next one XeOF4. XeOF4. Now you see here oxygen is there, fluorine is there, but here we have to remember only monovalent atoms to be considered. So here again xenon 8th group element plus number of monovalent atoms are 4 divided by 2, that is 12 divided by 2, that is 6, nothing but sp3d2 XeO4 OF4. Next one XeF6 also given. So here again the central atom is xenon, that which belongs to, that is 8th group, and again number of monovalent atoms are 6 divided by 2. So that means 14 divided by 2, that is 7, sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization. So this is a bit, you will be getting 4 marks. And one more important thing about this hybridization is, by knowing the hybridization, you will be able to know the geometry, the structure of the molecule, number of lone pairs, lone pair electrons, that is unpaired electrons, that is bond pair and lone pair electrons. So it's a very important concept, and you will be getting, if you spend 15 minutes, you will be getting 4 marks compulsorily in NEET exam, and also in the JEE mains also you will be asked this question. So there also you'll be getting 4 marks. Okay. So right. So now we have seen about the neutral molecules. Next we will go for the cations. Where this we can apply the same concept in case of cations or not, we'll see. So this is a very important concept, and you will be getting compulsory one question in chemistry. ChemJEE Academy, we are going to help you all the aspirants. So you see here, we are here, and we'll definitely will give all important videos, will upload in the YouTube, and like this within that important concepts. So you'll be able to know that what we are explaining, and where they are able to where they are coming or not in the JEE, that January session. Okay. Now in case of cations, now cation, the formula is G plus M minus C by 2. So here we are going to subtract the charge. Now we will see, for example, this hydronium H3O plus. You don't know the hybridization of oxygen. Now what we are going to use, since it is a cation, we are going to use the formula G plus M minus C by 2. So now here oxygen belongs to 6th group, plus number of monovalent, how many are there? 3, minus charge is, that is 1 unit charge is there, so divided by 2. So you'll be getting 8 by 2, that means 4, hybridization is sp3. Next, like that, ammonium ion NH4 plus. So here also, now here the group number, so central atom is nitrogen, so group number will be nitrogen belongs to 5th group. So number of monovalent atoms are 4 are there, minus again charge is 1, divided by 2. That means 5 plus 4, 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 2. So again you are getting sp3 hybridization. Next, if you want to check, you can say NO2 plus. So here NO2 plus, you see here nitrogen, 5th group, plus number of monovalent atoms. So we are not considering this, it not comes under that monovalent atoms. So what happens? So 5 plus 0 minus 1 unit positive charge by 2. So 5 minus 1, that is a 4 divided by 2, you will be getting 2. 2 means hybridization is sp. So 2 means you are getting hybridization is sp. Now fourth one, you can say I3 plus ion. Now here you see here, in the 3 iodine atoms, one will be the central atom and 2 will be monovalent atoms. So now here the group number of iodine is 7th group. So here we are considering only 2 atoms, leaving the central atom. So here 2 minus charge is 1 divided by 2. So here 7 plus 2, 9 minus 1, 8 by 2. So again we are getting sp3 hybridization. So like this you can immediately find you will be able to solve within seconds the hybridization of the central atom of the given molecule, right? Now we'll see one more example, like say we are in the cation. Now ICl4 plus, you can say, you can take any example. So here you see here G plus M minus C by 2. So here central atom is that iodine. So group number is, again it belongs to 7th group. Here all the chlorides, that is chlorine, are monovalent atom. So number of, how many are there? 4 are there. Minus charge. So 7 plus 4, 11 minus 1, that is 10 divided by 2. So you'll be getting 5. 5 means sp3 dehybridization. So like this we are going to solve, we are going to find out in seconds, within seconds we are going to find out the hybridization of the cations also. Now we will take the examples of anions. Now we will take the examples of anions. We'll check whether it is we will be able to get the hybridization in case of anions also. Okay. Now if you see here, in case of anions, we are going to add the charge. So group number will be there, number of monovalent atoms will be there, and we are going to add the charge divided by 2. Suppose if the total value is equals to 2, hybridization will be sp. If it is 3, sp2. If it is 4, sp3. If it is 5, sp3d. If it is 6, sp3d2. If it is 7, sp3d3, like that. Okay. Now we'll see in the case of anions. Now we'll take the one example of NO2 minus. Now here see, say suppose this one is there. Now here H equals to, you see here, central atom is group number is nitrogen, that is 5th group, plus number of monovalent are here 0. So 0. Now we are going to add the charge. This uninegative charge we are going to add. So divide by 2. 6 by 2. That means 3. That means sp2. sp2 hybridization is sp2. Now we can say we will take another example. ICl4 minus. So these are also examples of anions. So like this you can say H equals to, here again iodine is a 7th group, plus number of monovalent atoms are 4, plus charge, that is 1 unit, divided by 2. So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 6 means sp3d2. So like this we can solve within few seconds. We are going to solve the hybridization of the molecule, hybridization in the molecule. Okay. So this is a very important bit beta. ये आपके NEET में भी आ रहा है और JEE mains में भी आ रहा है. And we are going to give the material like this. We are going to upload the videos also like this. and you will be able to solve within seconds. Okay, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. एंड हियर अब तक जो सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा वो आप खेम जी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू डेफिनेटली. Okay, NEET is in the month of May. We have enough time, is there? But I will check. I will. You will be able to give your feedback in the month of January only if you follow our channel regularly. Why? Because we have August is there, November, August, September, October, November, December. 5 months time is there, right? So in this 5 months, we are going to give you concepts like this, and you will be able to find the you will be feel chemistry as very easy to solve the questions. Okay, thank you, bye bye from ChemG Academy, and do subscribe our ChemG channel. Thank you.